to Eternal Easy Education. In this session, you are going to learn Chapter 6, Word Processor. Content of this video is: what is paragraph alignment, what is indentation, and what is bullets and numbering. So, paragraph alignment. Paragraph is any text that ends with hard written. Hard written is accomplished anytime you press the enter key. Paragraph alignment or justification refers to the way in which the lines of paragraph are aligned. Paragraph alignment lets you to control the appearance of individual paragraphs. That means the group of lines are going to be aligned. 4 types: left aligned, right aligned, center aligned, justified. 4 types of alignment. Left aligned means the paragraph's text is left side aligned. Right aligned means it is right side. Center means to the center of the page size. Justified means evenly both on left and right margins. So you have to decide which alignment is required for your particular paragraph. And it is accomplished through formatting toolbar also. And the shortcuts are left Ctrl L, right Ctrl plus R, center Ctrl plus E, because Ctrl plus C is for copy, justification Ctrl plus J. So here they are given the examples of left aligned, right aligned and center aligned. I'll copy this line. Just I'm pasting the content in the Word file. That means the OpenOffice writer. Align the lines. So here nearly 6 lines. It's a paragraph. Now how to apply paragraph alignment? Select the whole paragraph. Use the toolbar. Formatting toolbar. It is center. This is right align and this is justified alignment. Another method is go to format, select paragraph option, go to alignment tab, left, right, center, justified. So if I am selecting center and click OK, so all the lines are centered to the page size. So it is very easy to apply the alignments. Next one is line spacing. Line spacing determines the amount of vertical space between lines of text. Each line, the space between each line. In default, the space between each line is single. Apart from that, there are 7 types of line spacing. So we can select a paragraph, right click and you can select the line spacing like a single, 1.5 or double. Apart from that, there are many. 7 types are available. We can avail this in format and paragraph option. So this is the dialog box of paragraph option. Select the paragraph, go to paragraph, take the tab line intent and spacing. Here you can see 7 types of line spacing. I am selecting double and click OK. Can you see the space between each line is double? The same thing can be applied. Right click on the paragraph, there will be 3 options. From that also you can give the line spacing. Next important topic is indenting text. Indent is the distance between the left and right margin of a paragraph. So it is used for making the text more reliable and readable. 4 types of intents: left, right, first line intent and hanging intent. So the left intent is the space between the paragraph and the left margin. Right intent is space between. This left intent can be applied from format, paragraph, intent and spacing. Same right intent also applied. And first line intent means only the first line is moved from the margin. Hanging is said to be a special type of intent where the first line is out of the margin. The value is given in negative, so it is called negative value hanging intent. So take the paragraph, go to paragraph and select the intent and spacing tab. Here can you see the before text option, and this is said to be left intent. So if I increase the space before text, it will have a gap between the margin and the text. This is said to be left indentation. Can you see here? The margin line is the gray line and this is the text. So there is a space between the margin and the text. This space is called left indentation. So paragraph, intent and spacing after text. This is for right side. So if we increase this number here, it will increase the space between the right side margin and the text. So increase the number and click OK. Can you see the space between the right margin and the text? So this is right intent. Another one is first line intent. So first line, increase the space. Only the first line is moved. Give the line in positive, then only it is first line intent. If it is in negative means then it is said to be hanging intent. So this is first line intent. Same first line intent, if the value is given in negative, the first line will hang out of the margin. So it is hanging intent with negative value. So these are the 4 types of indentation. Sometimes it may come for 5 mark, only indentation. So it will be easy for you to explain. Next option is bullets and numbering. Bullets and numbering are used to emphasize list of things. This is a paragraph level attribute that applies a bullet character to the start of the paragraph. So bullet means it's a symbol. This is suitable when a text has to be presented as a list of items like the names of the students or names of the toppers or names of the fruits, names of the flowers, like that. If it is in a list, we can use it as bullets. Numbering means same purpose. Instead of the bullet, the numbers are given. That is the difference between bullets and numbering. So the default type is dot and default number is 1, 2, 3. But we can change to anything which is given in the option. This is present in the same format menu. Format, bullets and numbering, option. So it is used to give styles to the list. Same way it can be removed. To remove the bullets and numbering, we can use the icon. Converted the paragraph into line by line points. So I'm selecting all the lines. Go to format, bullets and numbering. Select the bullet or the symbol which you want to give. So each line is given with the symbol. So if you click again, it will be removed. Default is dot. Numbering means same option. Format, bullets and numbering. Use the numbering tab. Here you can see many types of numbering, 1 or A, B, C, D, like that. You can select and apply. So if you add any line, it will give the correct point to the particular line. So if I delete the second line, then third is converted to second. That means it is rearranging the numbers. So it is very easy for you. So it will be useful in many places. So here there is a graphics. That means the bullet symbol is with some colors. So we can use this also whenever we refer in our document. So you have learned 3 topics in this video. One is paragraph alignment, 4 types of paragraph alignment: left, right, center and justify. Another one is line spacing of 7 types. Another one is indentation. Indentation is again 4: left, right, first line and hanging, then bullets and numbering. Each topic can be a 5 mark for you. So learn well. It is a very easy answer to learn. That's all for this session. Thank you. Have a good day.